Hello, my beautiful wife.
Come inside.
Yeah. Oh, hello, Timmy and Ella. Tignan mo sila guys, oh, napakasimple lang. Oh. Pagkain nila, bread na walang palaman. Hey!
Yeah, I think it's starting.
Ready. Come, Ella, Timmy.
Come back.
Yung mga lumang tractor guys, oh, maandar pa. Yan, ginawa nila ng dekorasyon. Timmy, oy, ang ganda!
This was the first time that I saw this here.
This is the first time also?
Yeah, this was my first time.
Hello po! Magandang araw! Kamusta kayo? I hope everybody's doing fine. Today it's a special day for children in Germany because we have the St. Nicholas celebration. And the children can put out boots in the evening, and in the morning it will be filled with candy or a little present or something like that. And of course we are also making this tradition for Timmy and Ella. And now they can take inside their boots that they put out yesterday in the evening.
Kann man die hier essen, wie gerade haben die hier?
Ja, die kann man essen.
Because they're getting a lot of chocolate and candies in Christmas time anyway, I filled the boots mostly with nuts and fruits and a little present, of course, they also got. All in all, they were super happy and excited. So, mission accomplished! And by the way, in the night we are planning to watch a Christmas light show where the tractors from the farms around are decorated with Christmas lights and touring through the villages. This is our first time to see this one, also for me, and we are very excited. I hope the children will like it, and Archie and me of course also. So tara, samahan niyo kami.
May malamig sa labas, guys. Let's go. Ilaw. Oh, isa lang. Tara guys. Bye-bye. See you later. Ako lang pala naiwan dito sa bahay guys. Kasi pumunta sila kanina sa church. Ayan na sila oh. Nakatulog na yung dalawa, si Timmy tsaka si Ella. Sobrang pagod pero ayaw ma-miss ni Annie yung mga tractor, yung mga sa farm. Mamaya makikita nyo guys. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello, my beautiful wife.
Come inside.
Yeah. Oh, hello, Timmy and Ella. Papa is here. Hello. Hello. Kainin ko si Papa. Ate Ella, slapin. Yeah. Si Ate Ella. Mamaya na. Hindi natutulog. Madalas malamig guys. Ayan. Dilim na naman yung kalangitan at humaambon. Actually 5 o'clock now, no?
It's 5:30.
5:30, madilim na.
Yeah.
It's too early. Hello, my beautiful wife.
Hello.
I'm very busy.
Checking where we have to go.
Yeah, you know already?
To see the tractors. I will just follow here this.
Yeah, so they're here. What is it, Timmy?
I think we need to wake up Ella. Ella!
Ella, Bobisto, Papa is here. Ella. Ella. Papa. Ella. Yoo-hoo. Hi. Papa.
Bye-bye.
Oh, the tractor. You want to see the tractor, right? Ella? Okay, I think we need to go there and then we will wake you up. Yeah. Ganito ka-busy si Annie sa mga bata, guys.
Yeah.
After niya sa church, watching the Nicolaus with the candies and chocolates.
Yeah, he didn't. It's more like picture taking actually today.
And then now, pupunta kami sa tractor. We will go to the tractor and
Yes, there's a light tractor show. Tractor light.
is it
show.
once a year?
Once a
Nangyayari?
year.
Okay, yeah, okay. Kung natutulog ako sa bahay guys kasi medyo masama ulit yung pakiramdam natin, may sipon-sipon tayo. Ayun, so sabi niya baka daw gusto kong sumama kasi nga meron daw mga tractor. Sabi ko, why not? Sige, bangon tayo. Kainom naman tayo ng gamot. May sipon pa nga. I forgot.
I thought it's only in the place where my brother lives.
Yeah.
I saw it first time where my brother lives. He lives a little bit farther away.
Like 10 hours travel, guys.
No.
Layo
like around 4 hours.
Ay, joke lang. Biro lang. Okay.
Yeah. And
But now they bring it here.
Now maybe they have it before. I never saw it. I never knew, but we saw it in the.
Yeah, I know. I'm joking. Only they bring it. Oh, maybe they will bring the tractor here. It's quite far. Ay, ano yun, Timmy?
It's dunkel.
Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, guys, si Timmy ayaw sa sasakyan.
Yeah.
Mas gusto niya maglakad kesa.
Timmy also doesn't like that it's dark now. Oh,
Yeah.
waited too long. Sorry.
Just wait. It's okay. Better wait
Safe than sorry.
than sorry again. You can focus driving. Don't mind me, huh? Okay, now it's okay. Go. Hey, thank you, Lord. Mama and Papa is still in the church?
Mama and Papa still in the church.
Oh, dahan-dahan lang ko. Grabe ka magpatakbo. Relax, natatakot ako eh.
Mama and Papa have to stay until the end because they're, or Mama at least.
Oh, ano ko?
Mama is working there in the children's
Okay.
busy keeping, so they're crafting and painting there.
Is Mama still have the beef goulash, Nico? Is it goulash?
Yeah, it's goulash. I don't know if there will be leftover.
I'm joking only. You remember, guys, the beef goulash in the last video?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for to taste. Naiya ako magtikim kasi nga dadali nila sa church. So, sabi ko next time na lang. Baka may matira. Baka may matira. Or, lulutuin na lang natin, Aniko, no? You will teach me how to do it. Grabe, ang aga. Napakadilim na. Sipin nyo 5:30?
5:30.
Yeah, 5:30, guys. Wala na si Haring Araw dito. Ang dilim na.
Can you help me with the navigation as well?
Masulubat ka?
Yeah, I'm there, but I'm
Okay,
not.
tulungan ko muna siya sa navigation, guys, ha? Moment. Okay lang yan. Basta dahan-dahan lang yung pag-drive. Makarating tayo ng safe zone, okay? Ayan, no? Napakaganda ng paligid nila. Paggabi, guys, napakatahimik, napakalinis. Kunti lang yung mga taong lumalabas. Ito yung bus station na lagi namin kinasakyan. Relax sa sawak. This is not a pickup truck.
This is not the race.
This is not the race and also not our pickup truck in the Philippines. Kung pwede ko lang dalhin dito yung sasakyan, guys, dinala ko na eh. Oh, ayan yung mga Christmas tree, guys. Oh, naka-ready na. Ayan. Diyan tayo bibili?
We will not buy. You will chop it together with the children and Papa if everything works like I planned.
Okay.
Can make a nice video out of it also if you like. You will go there. This is a special event.
Oh, so we will not buy. It's free?
No, I think you still have to pay it. But
That's what I'm saying.
You will chop it yourself.
Yeah, and then you need to pay.
And there's also a little Christmas market and Christmas live music. And you go there into the forest where you can chop your tree with tractors.
With tractors?
Yes, they will drive you there, so the children will surely enjoy it.
Okay, no problem. We will see what will be. So, siya yung may hawak ng mga plano natin sa mga susunod na araw, guys. Galing niya niya. See, that's nice. Kung ako, naligaw-ligaw na ako dito. Hindi ko kasi alam mga pre yung orientation dito, kaya si Annie yung nagda-drive madalas. Nahihirap. Baka maligaw kami kung saan. Kaya pagdating ng oras na nag-labor na si Annie, guys, si Mama yung maghahatid sa kanya sa ospital. Kesa naman ako hindi ko alam yung ospital at saka yung mga rules and regulation pa dito tungkol sa mga pagda-drive. Kaya mas maigi si Mama na lang.
Which way now?
Left turn to the right, sorry. Right turn.
Baby Langstrom.
Okay na, Timmy? Goods na yan, ha? Okay na si Timmy. May music na siya. Habang si Ella natutulog, naku, mas lalalim yata yung tulog ni Ella. And then turn left. Lynch. So ayun, ang dami na nilang nag-aantay guys, oh. Yan sila. Baka hindi pa dumarating ni Nico, sakto. Oh, mamaya, wala pa Nico, not yet. Not yet. Relax. Ito lang ang mahirap dito guys, ang hirap ng parking dito sa kanila kasi mostly sa mga tabing kalsada, sa mga private.
Maybe I can park here.
I think so. Here? Putikin? No. Not possible. Nandito na tayo guys. Meron tayo na po ang parkingan. Buti na lang. Thank you.
Kann ich draufgehen?
There's a baby. Yay! Oh, come Papa's arm. Dito. Dito yung Papa's girl ko na to. Oh! I love you! Hello! Tulog na lang siya sa akin guys. Something called down. Lotto ticket.
Just crack ticket.
Yeah.
Ich hab noch ein bisschen Brot.
Hey, stay there. Malamig kasi malamig. Diyan muna sila sa loob. Lucky we can park here, ha? Tingnan mo sila guys, oh. Napakasimple lang, oh. Pagkain nila. 1 pirasong bread na walang palaman. Hey! Hey! Ella, 9! Timmy! Come on! 9!
I don't know what you can.
Ito yung gusto ko kay Annie guys. Kasi lahat ng mga events na pwedeng maging core memory ng mga bata. Especially ni Ella. Kasi si Ella mas nakakaintindi na. Hindi niya talaga pinapalagpas kahit na tignan nyo, madilim na, kahit pagod na yan siya, kahit buntis pa yan siya, talagang bibigyan niya ng time, ng panahon para at least magawa o mangyari ba. Napaka-hardworking na asawa kong ito. Super hardworking. Papa arm! Oh, sige. Lambing pa pala sa akin eh. Arm! Wala pa nga. Doon na traktor. Dadaan doon ang traktor. Say hello muna dito. Here. Hello. Say hello. Push papa. Nine. Push papa. Nice. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's starting.
Ready. Come, Ella, Timmy.
Come raus.
Ayan, meron ng mga pulisay guys. So, ibig sabihin narating na. Come, raus, Timmy.
come raus.
Timmy, here. Ella, here. Come. Oh, ang ganda. Ella, come, papa. Ito. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Unong-puno siya ng mga ilaw. Christmas light. Timmy, happy? Oy! So, guys, oh. Merong mga bago, merong mga luma. Ayan, ang so cute. Yeah, Ella, here. Yeah. Happy ka, Ella? So, a tractor, Ella. Yeah. Oh, hello. Oh, lucky guys, ang laki. Wow. Timmy, oy, ang ganda. Hello. Ang dami pala nito. Hello. Yung mga lumang tractor guys, oh, maandar pa. Ayan, ginawa nila ng dekorasyon. Ganda, Timmy, no? Busy si Timmy, busy magtingin, guys. Ayan, no. Oh, Timmy, grosses. Lucky, Timmy. Kogmal, oh. Ooh. Petis. Thank you. Ubus na, pero dami nila.
Mehr gibt's leider nicht, das war's schon.
Happy, Ella ka? Yay! Happy, ma'am. Thank you, Lord.
This was the first time that I saw this here.
This is the first time also?
Yeah, this was my first time. I only saw it twice. Ellie, my sister-in-law, sent a video of this one in her area. And I thought it's only like there because they have a lot of tractors and a lot of fields around them. But then we saw a few days ago in the newspaper, Mama saw that there's also here something like that, and I thought, oh, very nice. The children can see it. They will surely enjoy it. So
Yeah.
that's why we went here tonight.
Maganda, maganda.
Never
Buti
saw it
na-experience
before
ko rin,
also.
guys. So, lucky I experienced it also.
Yeah.
Right? Thank you. Love you.
I love you too.
So, guys, uwi na muna kami, guys. Kasi sigurado gutom na tong... Hey, Ella! Sorry! Come. Let's go. Come, let's go. Tara, uwi na muna tayo. Kakain na tayo, okay? Oris! Let's go. Naku, si Timmy. Pag nag-drive na naman tayo, lagot! Iiyak na naman. So, uwian time?
Yeah.
Pahiram ako ng chicken mo, Timmy.
Mama, come.
Chicken?
Das da, nee, lass das zu.
Nansisiw? There's a car at the back.
There's a car now. It just came when I wanted to get
Oh,
out.
it's okay. No problem. Slowly on.
Yeah, I'll just wait until this.
Yeah. Timmy, kugmal, Timmy, ah?
A lot of stars.
Lot of stars. Oh, maganda.
Beautiful.
Meron din pala silang mga lantern dito na sinasabit, guys. Oh. Diba? Ang cute.
Decoration team.
The decoration.
Star decoration.
The stern. Yeah, star is stern, yeah?
Stern, yeah.
Yeah, ang galing. Wow! Christmas tree! Thank you. Nakakita tayo ng Christmas tree sa gabi. And soon we will make a Christmas tree, Mama, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like before, Ella. Okay?
Yeah.
On Timmy, okay?
9. Okay.
Okay daw, magkakaroon daw kami ng Christmas tree. Payag siya. Ngayon mga pre, ay pauwi na tayo. Pero dadaan muna kami ng grocery para mamili ng ng gatas ni Timmy at saka ni Ella. Kasi malakas silang uminom ng gatas, guys. Pati kami na rin ni Ani para dapat laging healthy. Uminom tayo ng gatas. Diba, Nico?
Yeah.
Come, call Papa. Tawid tayo.
Papa, hi.
Yeah, call. Malamig.
Papa?
Papa, here? Timmy, here? Oh, I have a bag here.
Papa, Mom.
Yeah, up the arm.
Papa.
Kanyo na, bumalik na yung energy nila, guys, oh.
Papa, just
Also, jogging, Papa. Oh, just short.
Papa,
Mama. Okay. Timmy, Timmy first. Timmy. Guys, we need to say goodbye. Thank you for watching.
Ja, da backt jemand Plätzchen. Somebody
Yeah.
is baking Christmas cookies.
Yung mabango, no?
Yes.
Okay. So,
So, let's go.
let's go to neto.
I think better not.
No, better na bahay. Ako na lang mamamalingki, guys.
Papa, run also.
Ako also. Uy, Diyos ko, Lord. Go. Diyos ko. Guys, we need to say goodbye. Oh, pagod na.
I think we need to say goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Have a good night.
Yes, see you in our next vlog.
Bye-bye.